Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to analyze Litecoin. So we'll look at LTC USDT chart as well as LTC BTC chart. So before we begin, this is a small disclaimer. I hope you all have read the disclaimer carefully. So now let's begin our today's analysis. So first I want to share you a couple of tweets, actually 3 to 4 tweets that I had done for Litecoin. This tweet was on 3rd of February, where I had shared 3 targets for Litecoin. And these all 3 targets have been achieved. This was in fact one more tweet on 4th of February, where I had tweeted price predictions for certain crypto assets, wherein for Litecoin, as you can see, I had predicted $350. And today we have achieved 350 also. And the most recent tweet for Litecoin was on 3rd May, where I have tweeted that Litecoin has printed 7 monthly green candles, which is outstanding. I mean, 7 monthly green candles are not even printed by Bitcoin at this moment. And LTC has printed 7 monthly green candles, and this might be the 8th also. So let's jump to the analysis. And in front of us first is the Litecoin USDT chart. And this is a zoomed out chart where you can see the entire journey of Litecoin from 2017 till now. And it's a complete return. So currently Litecoin is on the verge of breaking its previous all-time high. And once broken this, I think we can expect a tremendous move on the upside, because this is as similar as Bitcoin breaking the 19,800 barrier or Ethereum breaking the $1,400 barrier, returning to its previous all-time high of previous bull run. So this is not a small event, and it's looking really strong. If we look at the recent move, let us look at the recent chart, and what we can clearly see is that it is on a massive uptrend, where it's constantly creating higher highs. Look at this. This is so bullish chart, and it's just a matter of time before it breaks this. It's if we zoom in, then what we can clearly see is this recent top is already broken. Let us see on the 4-hour. So we can clearly see this on the 4-hour, that the recent high of $333, it went up till 333, it came down, it corrected, but it still was holding the overall trend line. This was the trend line that it was holding. So it went till 333, it came down till 230, $210, and then it was again going up, and this time it broke 333 very convincingly. So what best scenario would be it coming down, retesting, and then going, would be the confirmation of retesting and then going for an entirely new all-time high and a new wave. Breaking this zone of 350 to $360, I think it is going to be an insane run for Litecoin. Again, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research. I can be wrong, but this is an extremely beautiful setup. It's just a matter of time before, sorry, it's just a matter of time before Litecoin is in price discovery mode. And once broken this, I think it will go at least till 680 to $700, because it is going to break an all-time high of 3 years of previous bull run. So, 2x from here is what minimum we should expect. I mean, expecting 2x won't be unreasonable. So let me zoom out. So we can see that from 9th of November 2020, Litecoin has been slowly trending up and gaining momentum. And with every passing month, the momentum is only becoming stronger. So the force is with Litecoin. And it's just a matter of time before it goes on. I'm expecting a similar pump like Ethereum. The way ETH pumped in the last couple of weeks, I think we can expect a similar pump from Litecoin. Let's jump onto the LTC BTC chart and look at this. It's a completely different scenario in Bitcoin. It's literally just look at this. This was the entire bear market. This is a weekly chart and it's downtrend. So in fact, the Bitcoin chart is showing a completely different picture. And again, this to me looks like an opportunity. Because if we look at the current price action against Bitcoin, then we can see that this is clearly bottomed and now it's reversed. This has reversed from here. Because now it's creating a high and a higher high. So this is what we wanted to see all the Litecoin bulls, that against Bitcoin, it is reversed from its downtrend. This was an entire downtrend. I mean, just look at this. Such a long downtrending consolidation correction is now getting reversed. Do you think it's going to stop so soon? I don't think so. So what we can see in Bitcoin pair is very simple. This is it's currently getting resisted by this immediate resistance, which it is trying to break, and later look at the upside potential. I mean, this is amazing. These are the kind of charts that are opportunity in a bull market. This is the upside potential. We are not even talking about its all-time high. We are just talking about recent peaks. These are the two peaks. Just look at this. It's currently over here. It's currently facing its first immediate resistance. And once broken, this is the next immediate target. So if we consider a long-term move, then the upside potential for this is so much. Let's just look at the price range. Just look at this. It's 218% from here to its next major resistance. I mean, this is simply beautiful. These are the kind of opportunities we want in bull market. The trends that are reversing, because they won't just go for small moves. This is a yearly consolidation, multi-year channel that is getting broken. Of course, it's still not broken yet. We can make it like this also. Still not broken yet, but it is definitely reversed. If you see the entire move, if at all it wants to, I'm not even considering this week, but this, even without considering the week, if we see the entire move against Bitcoin, and let's consider that if at all it tries to even retest its all-time high against Bitcoin, then this is almost 600% move against Bitcoin. But I'm saying don't even consider that. Just consider this, the immediate resistance over here, which given the current bull trend that we are in, it is not unreasonable to expect. Even this is almost 200% against Bitcoin. And say it goes as for this peak, then it's 290%, 300% against Bitcoin. So this is a tremendous upside potential. In fact, I won't be surprised if it goes to even retest this. That's the kind of market we are in. Of course, this won't happen in 1 day or 1 month. It will take time because this is a multi-year channel that is going to break, and it can start a next entirely. It can happen the way it happened in this USDT pair, where it went for the full retest of all-time high. The same thing can happen. If you look at this entire coming back to retest, this can also happen in this Bitcoin pair. Everything is possible, but I'm saying don't even consider that. But going here, definitely that's a possibility. Breaking this kind of a downtrend, and this is definitely a possibility. So guys, again, this is not a financial advice. If we look at let us just add the moving averages to see how things are going. In the USDT pair, there is no doubt this is a very bullish chart. As you can see, even the moving averages are with us. It's way above the 10 moving average. The 10 MA is at $270. It's currently at $329. So you can see the moving averages are bullish. As long as it's about 10 MA, it's going to create new parabolic moves. So it's way above 10 MA. And if we look at the BTC chart, and let's add the moving averages. So again, this is a weekly. Let me first go to daily. So as you can see in daily chart, this was the point of reversal. Just look at this. I'll zoom in. This was the point of reversal. Over here, it was trending below 10 MA, and 10 MA was below 50 and 100 MA. And from here it's reversed and the 10 MA has flipped. It's crossed 50, 100 MA. In fact, just recently, even the 50 MA has crossed 100 MA. Just see this. This is immensely perfect opportunity, in my opinion, where the thing is flipping. It's not yet flipped entirely. And now the only thing remains is how far it can go on the upside. I mean, this is the ultimate confirmation where the 10 MA is working as support, even in the BTC pair. It's way above its 10 MA. And the 50 MA is also flipped the 100 MA. I mean, guys, if you're looking for opportunity, I think you should look at Litecoin. This is a certain buy, in my opinion. Again, guys, it's your money, it's your profit, and it is going to be your loss. So please do your own research. But to me, this looks like a wonderful opportunity. I think it's literally reasonable to at least aim for this. So that's a 200% rise in the Bitcoin pair. And given this, I think Litecoin can do much more in the USDT pair. So I know I told you the immediate target for Litecoin must be around $700. But if it does 2x in Bitcoin pair, then I think in USDT pair, we'll see a 4-digit Litecoin very easily. So that's it, guys. This is an amazing opportunity, and I tried to keep this video, this analysis as short, crisp, and as simple as possible. I don't try to complicate things. So I hope you guys liked it. Please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me grow this channel. And see you tomorrow for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I will share the Litecoin targets on my Telegram channel. So do not forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you.